Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best slide hammers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cartman Slide Hammer Puller Set. Suitable for both external and internal pulling on the stubborn oil seals, this one will make you use it for different applications. The slide hammer is perfect for bearing cups and other press-fitted parts and comes in a convenient to design. Furthermore, this comes in a blow mold storage case that lets you have easy portability. Moreover, it is extremely durable that lets you use it for a long time. Additionally, it is also very lightweight that makes it easy to carry, and you can easily take it on your workplace. It is ideal for professional use and allows you to save time and effort. Moving on at number 4, we have the Gearwrench Slide Hammer Puller Set. With this slide hammer, you can have the advantage of using it for a wide range of activities. It delivers heavy-duty performance and is suitable for a wide range of puller applications. Moreover, you can easily use it for oil seals, press-fit parts, and flange-type axles. Furthermore, this is extremely durable and will last for years. It also comes with a durable storage case that helps in retention and portability. Additionally, it comes in a convenient design and has a balanced weight that lets you have a hassle-free operation. The product comes in a complete set and can be ideal for automotive engineering trends. At number 3, we have the OTC Slide Hammer Puller Set. OTC's 4579 9-way chrome-plated slide hammer puller set pulls flange-type rear axles and most front-wheel drive hubs. Internal and external jaws provide a variety of combinations to pull bearings, gears, and seals. 2- and 3-way crossblocks and cone provide the perfect jaw configuration for most jobs. Set also includes a grip wrench adapter and a dent puller attachment for sheet metal or other unique pulling requirements, as well as a blow molded case. The set is designed for use with other OTC 5/8-18 thread slide hammer attachments. Value is at the core of the OTC tool and equipment portfolio. For a simple repair or the most complex drivability concern, these award-winning tools universally solve problems faster, and at better value, than any other product line available. Whether it's a specialty tool or unique piece of service equipment, OTC provides top solutions to modern automotive service challenges while increasing technician productivity and shop profits. At number 2, we have the NIKO Automotive Slide Hammer. If you are looking to remove mechanical parts with ease, then this is the one for you. The slide hammer delivers heavy-duty performance, and you can easily use it for removing press-fit parts. Furthermore, this is made of high-quality chrome vanadium steel and has improved durability. Moreover, it is resistant to corrosion and makes sure there will be a smooth operation. The product comes in a full kit and has the ability to go with different sizes of gears, shafts, and bearings. Additionally, this also includes an external 3-jaw puller and pulling cone adapter along with many other accessories. And finally at number 1, we have the Calplus Slide Hammer. The convenient design of the slide hammer will let you use it for different applications. This has a combination of different attachments that makes it perfect for pulling applications on light trucks and cars. Moreover, it comes with a grip wrench adapter as well as a dent puller attachment that allows you to use it according to your needs. Furthermore, this includes a heavy-duty blow molded case that lets you have easy storage. Additionally, this has cross blocks that give it a perfect jaw, making it suitable for external and internal pulling tasks. This is also very lightweight and is ideal for automotive jobs. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.